Good morning.
What are you doing?
What we do. Dave's cooking breakfast. I just wanted to show you guys our view from our kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom window. Isn't that so cool? In the trees, where we should be. Oh, are you saying something? You saying hi? Good morning. So we're traveling down some roads we haven't been on before, which is very exciting. Yeah.
Courtsville Road.
Courtsville Road.
It's a back road from like the Lebanon Sweet Home area of Oregon, just off the Oregon coast, that kind of cuts through the woods along behind the Green Peter Reservoir.
Yeah.
And then follows like a river.
Yeah.
And it hits Highway 22 near Detroit. But we were on it for several hours yesterday. I bet we saw 3 cars.
Yeah, really remote, which is great. And
we're in Whitcomb Campground, which is like a Bureau of Land Management, BLM campground, because of the dam.
Oh, okay.
But there's like 80 camp spots here, 3 loops. And this loop we're on is the only one's on it. And
we'll take you outside and show you here in a minute when we're done with breakfast.
But there's only like 5 camp spots taken. And
yeah. That's our kind of place.
Back roads, baby.
This was such a great spot. In the trees. That's what I'm loving.
Big trees.
Yes. So I suppose we're going to head on down the road this morning. We need to plot our path.
We'll show you a pro tip when you get in the truck.
It's a pro tip?
Pro tip.
Okay.
If you use all your different mapping apps on your phone, you're missing out on a lot of places like this.
Yeah. All right, let's get in there and check it out. I'm more the digital mapper. I'm the navigator. Dave...
I love a good atlas.
Likes a good atlas, paper map. It does show some different things, so...
You can see the big picture of things, and then you can kind of make an idea of where you want to go on the road atlas, and then you can switch to your digital stuff.
And find it there, yeah. All right, we batten the hatches, off we go. Hi, are you ready to go? Yeah? You ready to go for a ride? All right. Okay, so my digital map, you know, unless you're really, we're over here, obviously. And unless you're really zooming in, you can't even see the roads over here, right? You see the main roads and of course the freeways. But these little guys off here, you really would have to know where you're going. I still don't even see it there.
By the time you zoom in far enough to see the road, you can't see the big picture of where it goes to. With your handy dandy trusty Rand McNally road atlas.
You might need a new one there, babe.
I've had this one for 4 years. This is our second one since we started.
Well, they do get outdated.
I know, it's time. Okay. These will show you how much you're missing, at least for me. You can travel through Oregon and kind of go the main roads and see what everyone sees. But when you look at this, so we left Newport and we got towards Lebanon. And typically we take, you know, the Mountain Pass Highway, Highway 20, to go to Bend, or you can go to Salem, over to 22 and Bend. But then here we spent the night at Waterloo, and then at Waterloo you see this road, and it goes along Foster Lake behind Green Peter Reservoir, and that's where we're staying. This doesn't show this campground, but at least you can find this road and see where it comes out over here. And this drive, we're up in here somewhere. So far it's just been absolutely beautiful, just like this camp spot. It's a beautiful place that we never would have gone if we'd like, well, we're gonna go to the Dalles, we're gonna shoot over here, and you know, just
our map, if I navigate us to say the Dalles, it will take us the main road. It's not gonna take us way out of the way 3 extra hours.
Yeah, and obviously there's times when we have to get someplace at a certain time, but for the most part we're not in a hurry. And to me, the travel portion of getting someplace can be just as enjoyable as the getting someplace.
Yeah,
well, that makes sense.
That is.
Yeah, I mean, I just love this drive, and So anyway, there's so many places. We've been in Oregon all over, but I can guarantee you there's so many beautiful places like this that you're not seeing or we're not seeing.
Yep.
So
I'm excited to be on a road I've never been on before.
Well, once you find this road, you can go to any of your phone apps, and you can find it and follow it through. And
this atlas does have the campgrounds.
Some of them.
Too. Some, yeah, the more established ones, of course.
Yep.
Yep. All right. Well, we're just gonna keep on down this road.
Okay, so we're gonna get somewhere into here, and if we see a spot to stay, we'll stay again, and then maybe we'll work up some of these roads.
Yeah.
Our goal is to kind of be in this area in
For
the
the
weekend. For the weekend. Maybe we'll go camping with our boys, but
yeah.
For now we're just gonna do some exploring.
Yeah.
With Rand McNally.
Yeah. Pistol's ready. Okay, so designated campsite area.
It's early, but
yeah,
I can see us going through this area again.
Definitely. These are the kind of roads I like. When there's no stripe or paint on the road, you know it's going to be a good one.
It's funny because you were born and raised 2 hours from here, hour from here.
Yeah, 2 hours.
I've lived there for 30 years.
Didn't know this existed.
There's so many places like this out off the beaten path.
Yeah. Oh, here's a... Oh, no. Someone's there. This is awesome. Camping area, and something's happening in the next 25 miles, but we don't know what.
I don't know what the original site was.
I'm gonna say it's probably curvy.
Windy road, narrow road.
Oh yeah, probably. I love it, and you can go slow so I don't get car sick. It's just beautiful, even just to come out here for a drive. Love it. This is very narrow. We'd have to pull over. Yeah, they have pullouts at different spots. Huh. 25 miles of that.
What else you got going on today?
Yay, adventure! Not a care in the world, this one.
Gone 9 miles.
Okay.
So we've got 14 to go.
And the road has gotten increasingly, well, it's deteriorated, let's just say. Lots of humps and bumps, and they're hidden in the shadows, so.
No risk, no reward.
We made it to a yellow line.
18 miles of that, and not one car.
No.
Took us a little over an hour to go 18 miles.
That's my kind of driving. We made it to a main road here.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll help you. It's clear, wide open. Wide, clear, 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 clear.
25 miles to Highway 22.
And nary a car in sight.
Not one single car.
We did not. No. No. Now we're on a bigger road.
It was just too early to stay one of those spots.
Yeah, but lots of great spots. There's a little campground up here we might check out. We're just checking out all the spots. We found the camp spot. This is Riverside Campground. Is it Highway 22?
Yep.
off of Highway 22, kind of central Oregon, I would say. We parked over here because at the time there was sun and we have solar panels out and we're getting Starlink. Every other site here is pretty much like this. But isn't this a beautiful spot? Maybe we can get the boys down here and they can camp on the river.
Yeah.
And we can camp over there, provide their internet services, and we could all hang out over here.
This camp spot's mostly empty.
Yeah, the campground?
I mean, yeah, this campground's mostly empty.
Just a handful of people here. Which is amazing because it's summertime now.
So, I mean, I imagine the weekends are busy, but midweek, if you can get out, you can have your pick of the spots.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of getting off the beaten path.
Yes.
But where not everyone goes.
Yeah. I gotta go down the river. I bet that's cold. Icy.
It's cold.
It's cold. Okay, now I have to see. Oh man, that is cold. Okay, I'll show you the other side of our campsite. We have a picnic table and everything up there. So we go back into the woods. Isn't this great?
Rhododendrons?
Yeah, we got roadies blooming. Really neat. Yeah, so we'll just stay one night here and then trying to get up. I think you mentioned we're trying to get up east of Vancouver, maybe find a campground up that way for the weekend. The boys can come out and meet us maybe.
I hope so.
See how that goes. We'll just see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.